Guys, my name is Andressa Chinzarian. I'm from Brazil, and this is a song I gave to baby's music class to all my little students from face-to-face class and also virtual classes. Okay, this is a song from two teachers here in Brazil called Claudia Mariza and Claudia Mol. Both are Claudia. And they launched an album called Baby Sounds Music. Okay, this is just for babies music class. Okay, they teach music and also English for babies here in Brazil. um, Before we start playing an instrument, we have to put music in our bodies to feel the melody, to feel the beat um, in our bodies, and also to make sound with them. Okay, so this is very important as students. Okay, so when your baby grow up, when we have the time to choose an instrument, it will be much easier for them when they start playing. Okay, so let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a like, and also share to a parent, a friend. Okay? It's time to have fun and just some music. I clap my hands, clap, clap, clap. Listen to the sounds in the air. Clap your hands, clap, 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 clap. It's time to have fun and just some music. I stamp my feet, stamp, stamp, stamp. Listen to the sounds in the air. Stamp your feet, stamp, 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 stamp. It's time to have fun and just some music. I blow a raspberry, blow, blow, blow. Listen to the sounds in the air. It's time to have fun and some music. I tap the floor, tap, tap, tap. Listen to the sounds in the air. Tap the floor. All together, it's time to have fun and just some music. I clap my hands, stamp my feet, blow a raspberry, tap the floor. Listen to the